Hi guys, yesterday I made a video in which I show you how you could make dynamic title for your chart. For example, if you click to March, it will show here sales for March, sales for April. But there is a one limitation of this DAX function of this title. Like if I select 2 months at one time, then it will show you nothing. If you select 3, 4 or 5 months or more than one category, it will show you nothing. If we want to show 2 category or more than 2 category, then we have to use another measure. And what that measure is, we are going to firstly create that measure, new measure. So to show more than 2 category in the title, we are going to use here CONCATENATEX function. CONCATENATEX. Now we want here table, but the table of a distinct list, of a list that have unique month names. So to solve that problem, we are going to use values function. And when we use values function, then it will give you the unique list of month of that category that you will select here. So values calendar month, close parentheses, comma, and now in the expression we have to pass here that field that we want to concatenate. So we want to concatenate here calendar month. After then we have to provide here the delimiter, I mean the delimiter through which we want to concatenate two values. So we are going to use here comma. Then we have to write here that expression that we want to concatenate calendar month with calendar month. So it will show you multiple names of month at one time. Calendar, and then hit enter. After then we have to select this visual, go to title setting and click here conditional text, and now we are going to select the measure that we created here, dynamic title 2 month, and then hit OK. Now if we select January, February, March, April, but there is no space between the name of the month. So to solve this problem, we have to make changes in the measure. We have to insert here a space as well, and now hit enter. Now you could see that it will showing you multiple names of month, but we want here sales for, after then name of the month comes. So for that we are going to make changes in the measure. So in double quotation we are going to use here sales for, and we are going to use here ampersand operator and then hit enter. Now sales for April, March, May, June, July, and that's it. I will also give the explanation of this function in the description. Thank you for watching.